Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on your Facebook. Session expire, please log in again. So first thing you need to know that mostly it happened because you have problems with your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi. Just check your Wi-Fi router. So sometimes you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router and try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just try to restore your device. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also, the latest thing you can try, just check updates for your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Facebook app. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.